Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox this EBL battery charger for AA and AAA battery, and then also show you a bit of EBL's 2800 mAh NI-MH battery here. So this is a 4-pack. So I actually bought one set of this containing this and 2 of this, and it cost me 60 ringgit on Lazada, so I think it's a good buy. It's quite cheap, so I'll show you later. These are all rechargeable battery, but NI-MH not lithium. But let's go with this charger first. So maybe I can show you the box here. So the box is actually a generic box. There's no product model even. So for indoor use only, intelligent protection, automatic charge, cycle charge, compatibility for worldwide, safety, and then environmental protection, charging indicator. Interesting. Anyway, let's unbox it. So this still uses micro USB-C, which is one of my regret, because I'm trying hard to get rid of micro USB. Micro USB. Yeah, and I'm really trying hard to get rid of this, but it looks like some of my accessories or electric appliances still needs to use micro USB. So yeah, then this is the charger itself. We'll set that aside, and then the manual is here. Some sticker by EBL saying thank you, cute stickers. Right, then this is the manual, user manual. It says thank you for purchasing. So it tells you how to use it, and I will set that aside. I'm not sure if there's any warranty here, but yeah. So the input is 5 volt at 1 ampere, output is AA or AAA at 1.2 volt, 4 times 250 milliamp maximum. So no load power consumption is 0.5 watt maximum, full load is 5 watt maximum. Battery charging rate is more than 80%. So yeah. There's also Japanese. What else do we have? Espanol. Well, let's set that aside. Not sure if there's any warranty, but yeah. I hope that these things don't usually break down. Then you can see this is the charger itself. It says EBL Advanced Individual USB Battery Charger for 4 pieces, AA or AAA. So this is the LED indicator here. Red when charging, I think green when fully charged. So for AA you put it down here, and then for AAA you put it down here, and for AA you put it here. So you can charge 4 battery maximum. Then this is the USB-C, and then there's a gap in here. Then it says Advanced Individual Battery Charger, made in China. So the model is EBL-C807. So that's the model I got. Input AC 5 volt 1000 milliamp, output max DC 1.5 250 milliamp for 4 of the batteries. So yeah, that's about it. Lightweight, pretty nice to use. Yep. Doesn't come with an adapter, but just gives you the USB charger, which is good. So this is the battery. Let's set that aside, and let's look at the battery itself. So the battery is it comes with a plastic cover. So I'll show plastic box or keeper, as you can see. Then see, so EBL, and then it's white in color. So there's also some bits of user manual. Yeah, very simple ones. Not gonna read it. And then this is the battery cover itself, which is good. Keeps you organized. And then this is a original seal here. So I think this is original. So let's break that off and then open this up. Oops, guess I Already destroyed it. Don't mind me. Okay. So they looks pretty nice. And then this one batteries here. So EBL 2800 mAh, NI-MH low self-charge discharge rechargeable battery. So it's got a bit of weight, so I like that. Low self-charge self-discharge technology, NI-MH environmental protection material. Okay. So what you can't do with battery is do not reverse the battery when charging, do not heat, disassemble, or put the battery into fire, do not use all the new batteries or any different types of battery, ready to use pre-charged battery. So it's come pre-charged, but what I usually do is I will prefer to charge it completely, and then only then I start using it. So it fits nicely here. Let me just demonstrate one triple air for you also. So you put it down there. And then this one is a lot tighter. Probably it's because you can see it's double L is quite a bit tighter and it's harder to put in. So let me just try again. Yeah. So this is just for demonstration purpose. Now I think what I can do is just to put every single one of them in, like so. So I've charged one set of it previously and overnight. Seems to work okay. It seems to work okay, and let's see how it works for this one. So I'm going to give this an overnight charge. I don't know how long it takes to charge, but let me just demo one for you right here. So here you go. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, it's charging now. So that's about it. It's simple, and for $60, I mean 60 Malaysian ringgit on Lazada, so I guess that's 15 USD, very cheap. You get 8 of this AA NI-MH 2800 mAh capacity battery with a rechargeable charger. So that's a good deal to me. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you found this useful. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.